Hello. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Perfect. Now, can you show teacher where is pig? Yes, where is pig? Wink, wink. Pig. Good. Where is cow? Cow. Moo, moo. This one. Okay. Where is rooster? Rooster. Rooster. Where is hen? Cluck, cluck. Hen. Good. Where is horse? Horse. Very good. Where is goat? Goat. Ba, ba. Yes, good. Where is sheep? Sheep. Ma, ma. Lift your arm. There we go. Sheep. And where is duck? Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. This one. Yes, good. Okay, now, can you tell teacher what animal is this? It's a dog. What animal is this? It's a pig. Pig. And what animal is it? It's a pig. Pig. Next one. Duck. Quack, quack. Next one. Cat. Meow. Meow. Next one. It's a horse. Horse. Next one. It's a sheep. Sheep. And it's a rooster. Rooster. It's a cow. It's a goat. 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 Okay? It's a hen. It's a hen. The next one, it's a mouse. Mouse. Okay. And it's a chick. It's a chick. Okay. And last one, it's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. High five. Thank you.